Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I will talk about how I published my first book and how you can do it. If you have ever dreamed of publishing your own book but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Today I am sharing my own experience, my complete journey of publishing my first book through White Falcon publication. In this video, I will tell you how I found White Falcon publication, why I choose them, how I got the package of 10k and what was included in my package, the mistake I think new authors should avoid, and finally whether I think White Falcon publication is worth it or not. So this is not a sponsored video. Everything I'm shared is based on my own experience, my own journey. So first question is how I found White Falcon publishing. Before choosing any publisher, I had absolutely no idea where to publish my first book. But one day, while scrolling social media, I came across a girl who had successfully published her first book through White Falcon Publishing. I just randomly got that reel. And that was the first time I heard about this publishing company. After that, I started researching many publishers, and I spent days comparing different websites, reading reviews, and trying to understand which publisher I could trust. And honestly, trusting any publisher was very difficult because there were so many publishing companies, and as a first time author I was afraid of getting scammed. Since I had already seen this girl successfully publish a book with White Falcon publication, so I felt more confident then they were a genuine company. I can trust on them. Of course, I still did my own research before making any decision, and I made a lot of research, different publishing house, सबकी websites check की, सबके prices check किए, but trusting is difficult. So that's how I got found White Falcon publication. But the second thing is price was beyond my budget, beyond my range. After visiting their website, I checked their publishing package, and to be honest, the price was beyond my budget. At that time, I was a student and I was not earning any money. I'm still a student, so I thought maybe publishing my book would have to wait. But instead of giving up, I decided to email them and explain my situation properly, honestly. So surprisingly, within about 1 hour, I received a reply. Soon after that, we had a phone call. And during the call, I told them that I was a student and I can't afford 19k, 20k right now. I didn't have my own income. I'm not financially independent. And they understand my situation. After discussing everything, they agreed to reduce the price and we finalized package for 10k. But if I'm telling you honestly, 10k was also beyond my range, but somehow I managed that, and I was really happy because it made publishing my book possible. And I just mail them रैंड मतलब ठीक है कि एक बार बात करके देख लेते हैं क्या ही हो जाएगा, देखते हैं क्या रहता है क्या नहीं. मैंने जस्ट ऐसे ही मेल किया था, बट विद इन 1 hour आई गॉट रिस्पॉन्ड फ्रॉम देयर टीम एंड वी हैड अ फोन कॉल एंड देन प्राइसिंग की बात हुई, उन्होंने रिड्यूस किया. That was a good experience with them. But reducing my price and in 10k package, I also didn't get many benefits from them. What was included and what was not in my package, now this is something very important, very important. Although I paid 10k, I didn't receive every benefit that some of their higher priced package offered. Like I have to buy author copies myself. They didn't give me because pricing reduced. So author copies were not included. I had to buy my own copies separately. So before choosing any package, make sure you clearly understand what is included or what is not. That's very important. And don't assume that every package offer the same benefits. No, it depends on your range, it depends on your budget. And ask question before making the payment. So when I had received their phone call, we talk, we reduce price. After that, next day they sent me the publishing agreement. and this is my biggest advice for every new author. Please listen it carefully. Never sign a publishing agreement without reading it carefully. No, never. Please before read it careful and then sign agreement. Take your time, read every page, understand royalty percentage, read the terms and conditions, check your rights as an author, understand what services are included in your package, and if there were anything you don't understand, ask them. Ask the publisher before signing. Only sign when you are completely satisfied. Read each and every page carefully, because once you sign the agreement, after that they will not responsible for any mistake you found, if any, in the agreement. So once you sign the agreement, then your publishing process will start. And after I signed the agreement, the work on my book officially started. The team asked me about different things like the cover design, the font style, font size, the layout, and other publishing details. In each and every stage, they will ask you. You finalize, because it's your book. You will finalize everything. They involved me in these decisions, which I really appreciated, because I wanted my book to look exactly the way I imagined. And whenever I had a question or any doubt, I contact the team and they will always reply. Don't be afraid to ask questions, it's your book, so don't be afraid. You should understand every step of the process. Where you have a doubt, ask them freely. So, how long did it take? Many people ask how long the publishing process takes. In my case, it took around 40 days, 40-50 days, from the beginning of the process until the publication. And they already mentioned this before you sign the agreement, that it takes that much time. However, depending on your book and the publisher schedule, it may take longer. Publishing a book require patience, and don't expect everything happen in just a few days. No, at least 40 to 50 days minimum. So was White Falcon a fraud? No. One question that many first time author worry about is whether the publishing house is genuine or not. So based on my own experience, I did receive response to my emails and calls. My publishing process moved forward and my book was published, and that was my personal experience. Your experience may be different, so I always recommend did your own research before choosing any publisher. But for my second book, I didn't choose White Falcon publication because it's too costly for me. For one book enough, because I'm not financially independent, so that's why I didn't choose them again. So was 10K worth it? Now let's answer the biggest question, worth it or not. Was paying 10K worth it? For me, publishing my first book was a dream, and seeing my name in a published book was an unforgettable feeling. At the same time, I also learned that publishing was only the first step. If you want your book to sell well, you also need to promote your book it yourself through YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms. And please understand, publishing and marketing are two different things. Publishing is just a one step. A publisher can publish your book, but building an audience is something you have to work on. You have to understand this thing. And in my 10K package, there's only publishing process, no marketing and all. They will publish it on Amazon and Flipkart and White Falcon page. So my advice for new author, if you are planning to publish your first book, so my suggestion, do proper research before choosing any publisher. Compare different publishing companies, read every agreement carefully, understand the royalty terms. White Falcon provides 70% royalty, I tell you, and know exactly what services included in your package. Please do proper research and don't be afraid to ask questions, and most importantly, don't stop writing. And every successful author started with one book. So if your goal is simply to become a published author and get your book listed online, this type of package can be helpful. But however, if you expect the publisher to market your book heavily or guarantee high sales, that's not realistic. Publishing and marketing are two different things, as I already told you. Even after your book is published, you still need to promote it yourself through YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms. And I also want to tell you one thing. After publishing your book, you receive lots of messages on Instagram for marketing book reviews. I also received. Please don't buy them. I purchase 4 5 book marketing package. They will provide you gold package, platinum package, silver package. Please don't go for them. There is only 2 3 पेजेस विच आई रियली लाइक, जिनका काम मुझे पसंद आया बुक मार्केटिंग में. वो आपको बोलेंगे कि आपकी बुक मार्केटिंग करेंगे हम और रील्स बनाएंगे आपके बुक पर, एक दो पोस्ट डालेंगे. वो आपके पैकेज पर डिपेंड करता है विच पैकेज यू बाय. 200 300 या 500 600 समथिंग या 1000 2000 समथिंग, इस टाइप के पैकेजेस दे विल प्रोवाइड. आई विल परचेज 200 300 वाला मेरा ठीक था. एक दो रील्स उन्होंने डाली, पोस्ट डाली, दैट वाज गुड. इससे ज़्यादा आप ना करें. मैं तो मना ही करूँगी कि बुक रिव्यूज़ के लिए, बुक मार्केटिंग के लिए आप ना करें कोई भी पैकेज बाय. खुद करें. आप अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर खुद रील्स बनाएं, पोस्ट डालें. प्लीज़ डोंट परचेज एनी पैकेज. मैंने ये गलती की थी. माई एक्सपीरियंस विद 1 or 2 गुड 200 300 की रेंज तक था, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा 700 तक. दैट वाज गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद देम. उन्होंने पोस्ट डाली, रील बनाई. बट आई गॉट अ मैसेज फ्रॉम समवन, आई डोंट रिमेंबर देयर नेम, पेज नेम, बट दे विल से कि आई हैव टू पे 10,000. ओवरऑल बना के 10,000 का था उनका. सो आई रिफ्यूज दैम कि 10,000 में मैंने बुक पब्लिश की, देन आई विल 10,000 पे फॉर बुक मार्केटिंग. No, I can't do this. Then they behave very rudely. Firstly, they are very politely describing me every situation. मैंने उनकी होल प्रोसेस अच्छे से जानी. देन आई सेड नो कि मैं नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. और ओबियसली अगर मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, आई एम नॉट फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट, एंड 10 के बुक के लिए करना, पब्लिशिंग के लिए मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. तो मार्केटिंग के लिए 10 की, एंड देयर इज़ नो गारंटी कि वो मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं तो आपकी बुक बिकेगी या इतने लोग खरीदेंगे. नो. सो मैंने उनको मना किया. दे बिहेव वेरी रूडली. मतलब मुझे कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है उनको मना करने का. ऐसे ही एक दो पेजेस और थे. अगर आप हाँ बोलते हो ठीक है. दे भी सम पेजेस अंडरस्टैंड योर सिचुएशन कि ओके यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट राइट नाउ, इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. व्हेन एवर यू फील यू वांट टू डू, यू कैन टेल अस वेरी पोलाइटली. बट सम वर वेरी वेरी रूड कि अच्छा आप क्यों नहीं बाय कर रहे हो. इतना सडनली उनका रूड बिहेवियर शुरू हो जाता है. सो डोंट गो फॉर देम. मत करना, मत लेना. अपनी मार्केटिंग खुद ही कर लेना किताब की यार. रील्स पोस्ट वगैरह खुद डाल लेना अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर. उनके लिए मत जाना. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो इतना अच्छा रहा नहीं है. बाकी आप देख लेना यार. मेरा सजेशन यही है कि आप ना जाएं, आप ना करें बुक मार्केटिंग ऐसे पैकेज बाय करके. दिस आर टोटली अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी इन माई ओपिनियन. टोटली अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी एंड नो बेनिफिट. ज़रूरी नहीं है. और उसमें भी आप पैकेज जो आप बाई करोगे, चलो सपोज इफ़ यू हैव टू पे 200 300 फॉर योर पोस्ट एंड इंस्टाग्राम रील्स वगैरह, वट एवर बेनिफिट्स दे प्रोवाइड यू, विद दैट यू हैव टू पे फॉर योर बुक प्राइस. सो वो आपको 600 700 पड़ जाता है. आप उनका पैकेज का करो, प्लस में बुक कॉस्ट भी आप ही दोगे. और कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि लोग खरीदेंगे आपकी बुक, आपकी बुक्स की अच्छी सेल होगी. नो गारंटी. सो आप खुद ही कर लें मार्केटिंग. दैट वाज बेस्ट फॉर you. So yeah, this is my process and this is my journey of White Falcon publication. Overall good experience था उनके साथ, but it is too costly for me. That's why I didn't choose it them again. And for my second book I choose someone else. Again I did a lot of research और काफ़ी पब्लिकेशन का पता किया. अभी मुझे जिस पब्लिकेशन का पता चला है, पब्लिशिंग हाउस का, इज़ अ वेरी लो कॉस्ट फ्रॉम वाइट फाल्कन पब्लिकेशन. बहुत ही कम कॉस्ट पर वो करते हैं बुक आपकी पब्लिश. बट उनका वर्क मैं देखूंगी. पहले मेरी बुक पब्लिश होकर आ जाती, फिर मैं देखूंगी उनका काम मुझे पसंद आता है नहीं आता, कैसे क्या है उनकी पूरी प्रोसेस. देन आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. डेफिनेटली आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट दैम बिकॉज काफ़ी लो कॉस्ट पर वो बुक पब्लिश करते हैं. और अभी तक तो सब अच्छा चल रहा है, बाकी देखते हैं फाइनल आउटकम कैसा होता है. सो देन आई विल मेक सेपरेट वीडियो. सो दिस इज़ माई जर्नी. और if you are financially independent, so you can choose White Falcon publication, no doubt. उनका पैकेज 19 के 20 के से शुरू होता है. if you are able to buy then go for it, go ahead, no issue. But if you are not financial independent, then please take a pause. There are so many publishing house which publish at a low cost. I will tell you very soon. So yeah, this is my journey with White Falcon publication, my journey of publishing my first book. So I hope it benefit you, and I hope you also published your first book. So thank you for this watching this. Bye, take care, see you in the next video. That's it for today's video, guys.